In this video, we're going to talk about abandoned carts and how to create an abandoned cart workflow in Flodesk. To get started, go ahead and click on the Workflows tab. Next, come over here to New Workflow. In the left-hand column, you will see two categories for abandoned cart and purchase follow-up. These are the new e-commerce workflows. For this example, we're going to create an abandoned cart workflow. Here, choose from 6 beautiful and ready-to-go workflow templates, or create your own by clicking Start from Scratch. I'm going to go ahead and choose this template. Let's say somebody makes it to my checkout page, but ends up not purchasing. It's very possible they went to another tab, or they got distracted, or they decided this wasn't the right thing for them at that time. Abandoned cart workflows allow me to send them an email reminding them that they haven't finished their purchase yet. This simple email leads to far more conversions and money for you. To get started with this abandoned cart workflow, I want to set my trigger. I'm going to click on Add Trigger. Make sure that the workflow begins when somebody abandons a cart, and then I'll choose the store I want to connect to. As of this recording, we support Flodesk Checkout and our integration with Shopify. However, many more e-commerce integrations are on the way. I'm going to go ahead and use my Flodesk Checkout here. Next, I want to decide when I want to send the first abandoned cart email. We recommend 1 hour. However, you can choose when this sends by clicking on the dropdown here on the right. In an abandoned cart workflow, the first email that is sent is considered a transactional email. This means anyone who has abandoned their cart will receive this email regardless if they are opted into your list. Now, this email will have some design limitations because it is a transactional email. However, you will be able to reach your audience regardless if they are opted into your list or not. To edit this email, simply click on Edit over here on the right. In this abandoned cart email, you will see that we are using an abandoned cart block. This block will automatically bring in information like the product name, quantity, price, the product image, and also the return to cart button. When somebody clicks on this link, they will be brought back to their checkout to finish their purchase. Go ahead and make any changes you want to this email, and then click Finish. After that initial transactional email, the workflow will check to see if this customer is a subscriber. If they are not a subscriber, they will simply exit the workflow. However, if they are subscribed to your list, you can continue nurturing and connecting with your audience here in this workflow. This template already has a couple of emails in here, so go ahead and customize those, or feel free to bring in your own by clicking the plus sign, adding an email, time delay, condition step, or an action. Again, to edit these emails, simply click on it, and then over here on the right, you'll have the edit button. Don't forget, scroll down a little bit, you'll also see your subject line and your preview text for that email. Once you are done building your workflow and you're ready to publish, simply click the Publish button here at the top. And there you go. You have an abandoned cart workflow ready to go for your Flodesk checkout. Now, an important note, you can only have one abandoned cart workflow per store. So if I come here and attempt to create another abandoned cart workflow, come to my trigger, choose the store, you will see that Flodesk checkout is grayed out because I already have an abandoned cart that is working with it. I can, however, connect it to another e-commerce store if I have one. And there we go. Our abandoned cart workflows are set and ready to go.